We are going to have a belching contest. Ready? Begin. That one smelled like slime.
Come on.
I put my head on the wet table.
Yeah, I could have a little bit.
There's only a little bit
I quit
left.
drinking when I was cooking.
Dude, a fish just like jumped up over there.
Hey, you know what?
I can have
How about this?
Hey, is this Neary's? Or is this your guys?
Oh, that's ours.
Oh, it is? You sure? This is yours?
Yeah, it's my mom's stuff.
Okay, because I thought I saw Jim picking that up.
I think we got a big one coming on.
That's a pretty cool little idea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Disposable cooler.
What are you guys doing? Oh, God. That's good.
Okay.
You're like,
That's like a good lake drink when you're in the water.
You know, I have to bring up all the fixings for.
don't move that.
Are you gonna do the ABCs for us?